Today we are unboxing and assembling the DREO TurboPoly Fan 353. Let's take a look at what's included in the box. I found this bag, which has a user guide, a remote control that has a power button, plus and minus, oscillation, menu, timer, and noise cancellation. There's a battery compartment on the back that slides open, and that bag also included 2 AAA batteries for that. That bag also included a few more parts, including these aroma pads, one of which is already pre-installed, and we got these 2 additionals, and this base screw. Here's the base to the fan, which has a diameter of approximately 11 inches, and it's quite heavy and solid too. It feels like it's gonna really hold the fan in place. You see a hard plastic top on that, and a really solid bottom. We get this extending piece for the fan neck. Another one that looks quite similar to it, but does have this knob on it right here. And lastly, the fan itself. And that's all solid plastic as well, with an adjustable headpiece that can point all the way up and even beyond, and then straight forward. And like the base, it has a total diameter of roughly 11 inches, with a front to back depth of roughly 8 inches. And then has a front to back depth of roughly 8 to 10 inches coming out to the back of this, or to the back of this piece here. Now that we have all the parts ready, let's begin the assembly process. Let's begin by taking the body of the fan and tipping it upside down and resting it on a surface like this. Now here's where you have a choice. You can add one of these 2 pieces. If you add the extending piece first, it's going to make your fan slightly taller. You can, however, just add this one straight away, the one with the knob piece, and you would be able to have your fan slightly lower. I'm going to add the extending piece here. So we are going to take the end of it that has the opening with the screw threads on the inside instead of the screw threads on the outside, and we're going to screw that on to this piece of the fan right here. Now the other end of that will have the opening of the screw threads right here. And we're going to take the second pipe right here, the metal piece will be facing up, and the opening to the plastic end with the screw threads right here will go on to that end right here. Now we can take the mount and set it flat down on the surface like this, and take the bottom end of the extending pole on the fan here and drop it down into it like that. Now we're going to grab our base screw. We're going to gently tip this on its side like this, and then we're going to take the base screw right here and insert it into the bottom there and gently screw it into place. And that should tighten up tight enough that there should be very little bit of a gap between the insertion point of the fan's pole right here and the acceptance point of the base right here. Now with this knob right here, we can turn it to the left to loosen it, and then we can adjust the height of our fan by raising it up and then turning it to the right to keep it in place if we want to as well. And if we want to lower it again, we can turn it to the left and drop it down again and keep it back in place by tightening it back up. So that is how you assemble the DREO TurboPoly Fan 353.